Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. You are in for a treat. Let me take you over right now. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use the 40-40-20 rule, right, to help you out when you are doing your weekly grocery shop. So if you want to lose body fat, if you want to lose weight, or maybe you want to build muscle tone, okay, this is very important. Or maybe you just don't like tracking and monitoring your calories, okay, then this is for you because it helps you prioritize the food that are actually important for your health and also gives you a structure when you're going to your grocery shops. So the first thing you want to do is to prioritize 40% of your food budget to go toward the fruits and vegetables you want to eat during the week. So I'm doing a weekly shop right now, okay? Your fruits and vegetables are where you're going to actually get your vitamins and minerals, okay? It's where you're going to also get your fiber as well, because it's very important, which is why I kept them at 40%. The next thing you want to do next is move straight to your protein. So 40% of your food budget, you want to prioritize that and spend it to get the protein you want to actually eat and that you enjoy eating. Okay, so protein is there to help you maintain muscle mass, especially when you're on a calorie deficit. You don't want to lose muscle. Okay, this is very important. Also, if you're trying to gain weight, you don't want to put on too much body fat. Okay, so you want to keep your protein level high. Again, you can't build muscle tone if you're not eating enough protein. This is very important. The more protein you eat, okay, the better it is for you to drop off body fat. All right, so 40% will go towards your protein. So once that's done, okay, so the next thing you want to do from there is to spend 20% of your food budget to go towards your whole grains. Okay, I've kept it at 20% simply because your whole grains are not as important as your fruits and vegetables. So again, you want to buy the whole grains that you actually enjoy eating. In this case here, I've gone for some wraps and some couscous as well, because I'm not really a big fan of spending too much time in the kitchen. I just want to make meals that are very easy to make, healthy, and will save me time. Okay, for me it's just time. I want to save time. Okay, so you can also split your 20% whole grains into two. So 10% you buy the whole grains that you want, and then the remaining 10% of that budget you spend buying some of the carbs that you actually want to eat during the week. Okay, bear in mind guys, don't fool yourself. Okay, you will get cravings. Everybody has cravings, and it's okay to have cravings. So when they come, you want to be prepared. Okay, I don't know what that might be for you. Maybe it's a cake, maybe it's chocolate, maybe it's a drink. I don't know what that is for you, but you gotta grab those carbs that you want to eat during the week. So for me, I've gone for some rice cakes. I love to eat my rice cakes with peanut butter, so I already got peanut butter in house. So this is gonna work for me perfectly. I'm also gonna get some crepes, okay, because I love myself some crepes. So whatever that is for you, make sure it fits within the budget. Those 20% are so important that you stick to it. So I hope you find this video helpful guys, and I'll see you in the next video.